Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I've got 5 police cars. I've got 3 Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series police cars, and I've got a couple of 596 models police vehicles. I've got a 1986 Ford Limited Crown Victoria that was used in the movie Fargo. Then I've got a 1998 Ford Crown Victoria Interceptor that was used in Reno 911. And then I've got a 1977 Dodge Monaco that was used in Fall Guy. And then I've got a Ford Crown Victoria Los Angeles, California Police. And then I've got a Ford E-Series Vans, New York City, New York Police NYPD. So let's go ahead. Open the cars from the packs individually, then I'll put them on the turntable as well to get a 360 view. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the unboxing video. Okay, the first one we're going to look at is a 1986 Ford Limited Crown Victoria Brainerd Police that was seen in the movie Fargo, and this one's Hollywood series, probably Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series. And that's the back of it. Alright, I'll get them out of the pack. Take a closer look. That's the car, guys. Pretty decent release and finish. Well detailed. I love the siren lights, the black and white color scheme. Got rubber wheels, chrome rims, decent livery, plastic blinkers, or rather plastic bumper and grille, plenty of chrome on it, and they've got painted headlights and blinkers. No opening parts on this one. Siren lights, tail lights. Got a little license plate with police written on it. The usual metal base chassis, being a Greenlight collectible. Alright, I'll pop him on the turntable for a 360 view. Okay, next up, let's look at the 1998 Ford Crown Victoria Interceptor that was seen in Reno 911. Let's look at the back. Got another poster. And this one's, Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood series. This is one of my favorite police cars, guys, the Ford Crown Victoria Interceptor. Used in a lot of Hollywood movies. Just absolutely love the white and black color scheme with the siren lights and livery on the sides. Alright, let's take a closer look. That's the car, guys. I think I can see a opening hood on this one. We can just confirm that. Nice and heavy, being a Greenlight. Beautiful detailing on the front. Painted headlights, blinkers, license plate. Siren lights. Tail lights are painted. Got a nice license plate. Metal chassis, of course. Quite nice, guys. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Guys, one thing I forgot to look at is the opening hood. I'm pretty sure this one. Yep. Slight chrome detailing on the engine, guys, on the inside. Pretty neat for a 1/64 scale. Quite happy with it. So yeah, let's move on. Okay, the next one in today's video is a 1977 Dodge Monaco. This one's part of Greenlight Collectibles Hollywood releases as well, or Hollywood series. And this was seen in The Fall Guy, the TV show, quite famous back in the 90s on cable TV. But I think this was made in the late 70s, if I'm correct. And that's the back of the packaging. Alright, this is another one of my favorites, guys. I think I've seen it for the first time in The Terminator 84. Alright, let's get him out. Dodge Monaco, guys. Simply beautiful. License plate, chrome grille, painted headlights, painted blinkers, siren lights. I've also got this in a 1:24 scale, much more detailed, but this is pretty impressive as well. Wow, plenty of detailing, guys. License plate, blinkers, tail lights, chrome grille, metal chassis, rubber tires, beautiful rims. And if I'm correct, this one's got a opening hood as well. Yep. Oh, nice, guys. Love it. Alright, I'll put him on the turntable. Okay, we're down to the last two, guys. This is one of my favorite brands out of China. They do pretty good releases of your regular car brands and releases, and also service vehicles. They do a lot of fire chief police cars, vans, and a few trucks here and there. And they're pretty detailed, guys, for the price. There's another brand that I really fell in love with, Roland 64 Diecast, and their police car releases, guys, impeccable, immaculate. I don't have words to describe, guys. Eventually I'll either do an unboxing video or just do a little cameo and show them to you. But fantastic, guys, just absolutely fabulous. Alright, I'll leave the NYPD for the last, and I'm just going to get the LAPD one out first. So let me just... that's the car. Police Interceptor. That's the back of it. City of Los Angeles, founded 1781. Alright, I'll get him out of the box. Okay, car out of the box packaging. Get him out of this blister protective thing. It's pretty good, guys. I quite love these releases from 596. They've got the license plate, plastic headlights, a beautiful Ford logo, side mirrors. This one looks a little bit, I don't know, tacky. I would love the rectangular siren lights. like the bar style, but this one's like an elongated oval shape. Still quite nice though, don't get me wrong, but yeah. Plenty of decals and livery, guys. Beautiful plastic tail lights, the American flag, Ford logo, some of the police stuff. Yeah, overall great release by 596, guys. Just look him up if you want to have a look at him. Just do 596 models and you'll see they also do Chrysler and other regular vehicles, and also plenty of service vehicles. Alright, I'll put him on the turntable for a 360 view. Just realized, guys, they don't have any moving parts on these 596 models, but they're like one step ahead of Greenlight. If you look at the detailing, guys, I got a little laptop right here. Yeah, so it looks like they've done a bit of work on the interior. Alright guys, last one today's unboxing video is another 596 Ford E-Series vans, New York City, New York Police, NYPD. It's quite nice, guys. Alright, I'll get him out of the cardboard box and take a closer look. That's the van, guys. Quite heavy, because these guys do metal bases and chassis as well. It's got some nice chrome or aluminium side steps, side mirrors, siren lights, another bar light at the back, beautiful license plate, Ford logo, painted headlights and blinkers. Plastic taillights, a bit of livery and decals, NYPD police at the back, license plate, a bit more detailing on the side, plenty of decals and beautiful livery. I think I'm seeing something on the dashboard, guys. It's hard to tell. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Alright guys, those are the cars we had to look at today in today's unboxing video. First one being a Ford Limited Crown Victoria, a Ford Crown Victoria Interceptor, a Dodge Monaco, a Ford Crown Victoria, and a Ford E-Series van, NYPD van. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and thanks for watching, guys. Take care.